Today I ran across some weird problems with PCEM version 17, and that when I tried to run this machine right here, it doesn't work for some reason. I go into the BIOS, I enter floppy disk selection. All this is correct. None of that information is invalid. It's not invalid at all. So it's not detecting a floppy disk A and not detecting floppy disk B. It's not detecting any hard drives either. And the memory is wrong. It says it's 256 megabytes. That's not what I have. So I'm going to exit F10 and exit. So obviously there's a problem with this BIOS. It's posting it as 16 megabytes, which I set it at. These are the specs that I have. But it's not running it. Everything is correct. The problem with this is there's a problem with the BIOS. I think the BIOS is corrupted. This is the one. So I'm just going to delete all that. And put in a new BIOS for the same thing. It's called Endeavor. It's this one right here. Now I'm going to run PCEM and see if it works again. It should work. But I do have to go into the BIOS to change a few things. Oh, it doesn't like that either. I guess I need another ROM set then. Let me try something else. Let me get out of here. I guess that's the one that didn't work, I guess. Let me try again. Go back here. Let me get the one that does work. I have many different ROM sets for PCEM, so let me try this one. Try Endeavor for that. Try this again. Nothing like that either. Guess I'll have to try again. Let me try Endeavor. Now it's working. Let me go into the BIOS. See what's going on here. Go back. That's what I have. And now it's working. Now it's booting in to my operating system. Try this again. Okay, so that's how you fix issues with, I guess, BIOS files that don't work, or BIOS files that are corrupted. That's why it didn't work. I was trying to figure out why it didn't work when I tried to set up that Windows 3.0 with a Pentium socket 5 setting. It didn't work at all. It wouldn't even detect a floppy drive. So it was just a driver issue. It was just a firmware issue. So I guess if some firmware don't work, you could just try others, different versions, and that will work basically. And if you found this helpful, please leave a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.